Yes, my dear students. Now let's start unit number 9, that is electronic spreadsheet. First, we will revise the session number first that we already discussed. And all of you know that if we want to open the LibreOffice Calc, then how we can open? Click on Start, All Program List, then click on LibreOffice 7.0 and after that click on LibreOffice Calc. Now this kind of screen appeared. This is called LibreOffice Calc. Now first topic in session number 1 is, the name of the session is creating a document. Yes, my dear students, suppose that we want to create a new spreadsheet, then how we can create? First, we have to click on File. Here is New, and then click on Spreadsheet. Even you can also use the shortcut key, that is Control plus N. And I have already blank sheet, so that right now I'm not creating new spreadsheet. Clear? If you want to create a new spreadsheet, then how you can do? Click on File, then click on New, and then click on Spreadsheet. And even you can directly press the Control plus N key from the keyboard, and then you are able to open the new spreadsheet. Now next topic is here, parts of LibreOffice Writer window. Means all of you know that this is my LibreOffice Writer window, and what are the different parts of it? I'm also going to write down here one by one. Yes, now first, all of you know that the first line of any application is called what? We called it title bar. What we call the first line of any application is called title bar. After title bar, here you can see File, Edit, View, Insert. This is called menu bar. And after menu bar, one toolbar is here. This one that contains New, Open, Save, Export, Print. This toolbar is called Standard Toolbar. What we call, this is our Standard Toolbar. And after Standard Toolbar, next toolbar is here. This is called Formatting Toolbar. After Formatting Toolbar, you can see here, this is called Active Cell Reference. Means this cell contains the address of the active cell. Active cell means, suppose that I place my mouse cursor here and the address is D, column number is D, and row number is 8. Means this is active cell, and active cell always highlight with dark color border. Clear, my dear students? This is called active cell, and right now you can see D is the name of column and 7 is here row number, and here it is D7. Means this is called active cell reference. What we call, this is active cell reference. Now, after active cell reference, you are able to see one more text box is here. This is called formula bar. What we called? This is called formula bar because if we want to write any formula, then where we write? We can write here. After this, you can see here is a B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are called column header. What we call? These are called column header. And here you can also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These points are called row header. Row header. Now, next one is here. You can see here is a sheet 1, and suppose we also want to add sheet 2. This is our, sorry, I forgot to write row header. And here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2. These are called sheet tab. What we call? These are called sheet tab. And after the sheet tab, you can see here is one more bar that is having information about the total number of sheets. What is the page styles, and that have the zoom slider over here. This is called status bar. What we call? This bar is called status bar. And now only one left, that is, suppose that wherever we place our cursor, this bar, this is called active cell, and active cell always bordered with dark color border as compared to the rest of the cell. Clear, my dear students? This is called active cell. Now, all these are the components of your active cell. Not active cell reference, this is only active cell. Clear, my dear students? Only these are the components of your LibreOffice Writer. I hope all these components are clear to you. And in session number first, nothing new is there. There is only components, and only one more new point is here. Yes, my dear student. And next new thing is here. In LibreOffice Calc, by default, how many sheets are here? Only one. But if we want to add more sheets, then we just click on this plus symbol, and after that we are able to add the new sheet. Suppose that right now here you can see sheet 1 and sheet 2. Only 2 sheets are here, but suppose that you also want to add one more sheet, then how you can do? You will just click on it. Right now you can see sheet number 3 add automatically here. When you just press on this plus symbol, next sheet will automatically add here. I hope these components are clear to you. And one more thing that I want to tell you about this. First one is how many total rows are there. All of you know that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means total number of rows. How many rows are there? That is 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6. This is the total number of rows that exist in LibreOffice. And next here we write, and maximum columns. Column means like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then how many total columns in LibreOffice Writer? That is 1024. I hope both points are clear to you. Rows equal to 1,48,576 and columns are 1024. This is all about your session number 1. Now let's discuss the session number 2.